Fine scratches usually will be found in topcoat after spraying. This defect might appear very quick or in a few weeks. Reason. 1. Coatings are not entirely dry before polishing. 2. Sand grains or coarse dust particles cause scratches at the time of polishing. 3. Deep scratches are caused by excessive coarse sanding paper. Precautionary measures. 1. Use finer sanding paper to polish plate corners. 2. Primers be sanding after fully dry. 3. Use a blowing gun to remove all dust and dirt carefully before sanding the plates. Solutions. After complete drying of paint films, light scratches can be polished and modified with polishing agents. If sanding scratches are too deep or relatively obvious, it should be resanded before polishing.